T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery.
Reverse complete is now in a heads-down position on track for its flight to the International Space Station.
Since the dawn of time, we've looked to the skies and wondered, what's out there? Our curiosity has driven us to explore, to push beyond the boundaries of what we know. Now, as we stand on the edge of a new frontier, one question remains. How far are we willing to go to secure our place among the stars? Humanity stands on the brink of its greatest adventure, a quest not just to explore, but to thrive beyond Earth. Leading this charge is Elon Musk and SpaceX, with a single vision: to make humanity a multiplanetary species. At the heart of this vision is Starship, the largest and most powerful rocket ever built. Designed for deep space travel, Starship is fully reusable, capable of carrying up to 100 passengers or massive payloads. After years of rigorous testing and groundbreaking advancements, Starship is now poised to take its next giant leap, Mars. The first step to colonizing Mars begins with uncrewed missions, scheduled for the 2026 Earth-Mars transfer window. These missions will send multiple starships to test landing systems and deliver essential cargo. These initial missions will focus on laying the groundwork, deploying solar farms for energy, testing life support systems, and scouting for vital resources like water and minerals. Every success will bring us one step closer to making Mars a home. With uncrewed missions paving the way, the first humans are set to follow in 2028. This marks a new chapter in space exploration, a journey to build humanity's first outpost on another planet. The focus of these missions will be survival and innovation. Crews will construct habitats, begin growing food, and start producing fuel using Martian resources. These pioneers will transform Mars from a barren wasteland into a livable environment. By the early 2030s, the goal is to establish the first operational Mars base, a settlement equipped with everything needed to sustain human life, from oxygen and water production to advanced research labs. This base will be the cornerstone for further expansion, allowing more settlers to arrive and enabling Mars to become a hub for exploration, science, and innovation. Elon Musk's ultimate vision is to create a self-sustaining city on Mars by the 2040s, a city where thousands and eventually millions can live, work, and thrive independently of Earth. By harnessing local resources, this city will be able to grow its own food, manufacture its own materials, and sustain its own people. It will mark humanity's true foothold in the cosmos. Mars is not just a dream. It is the next step in the story of human exploration, a story where we dare to reach beyond, to survive, to thrive, and to answer the eternal question: what lies beyond our horizon?